Hey everybody. Wow, what a week it's been. Bitcoin has hit 44,000, still staying above it. Ethereum still staying above 2,200. And man, this is a great start of the possible bull run. Could be a bull trap. I think we're still in the accumulation phase a little bit. Institutional money is starting to come in. Here's a quick market watch for the top 10. Still got your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, XRP, Solana, USDC, Cardano, Doge, and OKB. So just to make note of that. So today's video, wanted to talk to you guys about some method that I've been testing out and been using recently, and wanted to just share it with everyone. I have not found it really on YouTube or anywhere online, and figured this might help you guys out. So the goal here is, what is the cheapest, most effective way to get your dollars from the bank account to an exchange, withdraw that, buy whatever coin you want if you want to, and withdraw that out to another exchange to buy a coin that you just can't get on a bigger exchange yet, right? Lower cap coins, stuff like that. So here's kind of what I've been doing and discovering, and that is with Coinbase, for example. So with Coinbase, I think it's probably the most trusting, easiest way from connecting your bank account to Coinbase. I also use Kraken, but for this example, I think Coinbase would be easiest. Now, I don't know if you guys knew this, but in Coinbase, you could deposit your cash like normal. I don't even think I need to really explain how to do that. You would just deposit cash, go to transfer, deposit cash, transfer funds to your bank, connect your bank, and then you would just send money over. I think the daily limits maybe 2,500, something like that. I think of if you're paying for the Coinbase One, you can deposit more or something like that. So anyways, but when you deposit cash and you have cash in your account, people I think probably are overlooking this, but when you click on earn and you go down, you could buy USDC and get 5% interest APY right now on it. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is when you deposit cash, you want to buy USDC right away. All right. For this example, that's what we're going to talk about. So you're going to say, I deposited cash, $100, let's just say, and I buy USDC, and I'm just going to wait for the market to dip. And you're going to sit on USDC, earning that 5% APY, maybe more. And this is where you store your cash ready to deploy on an exchange to buy coins. I don't recommend buying coins on Coinbase. The fees are way too high, and the exchange takes a lot when you withdraw your coins out, and it's just, no. This is a good on-ramp and an off-ramp, in my opinion. So let's talk about what to do when you have your USDC converted from cash that you just deposited from the bank. So you're going to click on transfer and send crypto. And let's just choose $100. And I'm going to send it to, let's just say, Qcoin. Now, here's where you have to realize what perks you get using USDC, withdrawing it from Coinbase. Here's your network that you're going to send your USDC from. Ethereum, by default, it's an ERC20. You're going to pay your crazy high gas fees because it's ERC20, right? Now, I didn't know this, but if you send it on the Arbitrum network, the Avalanche network, the Base network, Optimism, or Polygon, it's free. All right. So what I have been doing is sending it on the Optimism network to Qcoin. Now with Qcoin, you can deposit your USDC, and this is where you're going to select your Arbitrum is what I've been using. So you're going to send your USDC using the Arbitrum network. Oh, sorry, Optimism. So I was right. Optimism. And you're going to click on that and you're going to have your address here, and you'll just copy that. And you're going to send your Optimism, well, your USDC on the Optimism network right here. Preview send. And what you're going to see is the fees calculated if you wanted to send it. And I don't know why it's not showing now. Unknown error occurred. There we go. We'll just do $1. Nope. There we go. So let's just pretend I was sending that much. Look, your network fee is free. See? All right. So that is how to cheaply send your USDC from Coinbase, converting it from the bank, from fiat to USDC, staking it, earning that 5% when you're ready to deploy and send it to an exchange to buy your coins. Then you send it using the Optimism network, which will be a free fee. Then you deposit in a Qcoin, for example, using the Optimism network for your deposit address, and boom. Once when your money is in here, then obviously you can just go to markets, start trading any of the coins that have a USDC pair. And then you'll just buy your coin, withdraw it out. I personally, especially if coins that have not been listed on bigger exchanges, I will then purchase Tether on Qcoin. So I will exchange that USDC for Tether, withdraw that Tether using TRC20 network, the Tron network, and deposit it into TradeOgre. Now here is where you would click on your deposit on Tether. And this is where you're going to see either the Ethereum network or Tron network. Tron network is way cheaper. So when you send USDT out of Qcoin using the Tron network, I think it's like $1.30, something like that. Super cheap. So then you send your USDT over to TradeOgre, for example. This is where you're going to buy your Carlson or your NeurAI, your Radiant, your Nexa, your Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever. The list goes on. Anything that has a USDT pair, right? So yeah, hopefully this helps. I think this saves you a ton of money. It's quick and simple. It's free to send money out of Coinbase using the Optimism network, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, Polygon. Solana and Stellar used to be available. I don't know why they're not allowing you to use it, but that's okay. A lot of exchanges accept these anyways. But yeah, for this example, using the Optimism network. Well, hope you guys like this. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment on the video to tell me what your go-to method is for cheaply sending money from your bank to an exchange, withdrawing it from there, or buying your coins and then sending it to your own wallets. I would like to hear, what you guys are using and what the cheapest way could be versus mine. So yeah, don't forget, I got a ton of other videos here on my YouTube channel, talking about my farm with Caspa mining recently, getting my KS2 from the November batch, and talking about Carlson. So yeah, a lot of content here, and look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments below, and stay tuned, and have a great week, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.